Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is all about my skincare and hair care. You can look at my skin right now. बहुत ज़्यादा breakouts हो रहे हैं because I was down last week. So उसके बाद मेरा होता है कि थोड़े से मेरे breakouts रहते हैं. So because of that मेरे breakouts हो रहे हैं. उसके लिए अब हम आज एक face mask बनाएंगे. Next we have Sugar with us. Sugar, come. In today's video I'm super excited about this big box right here. I got these products from Bare Anatomy, and if you guys haven't heard about them, they are amazing. So guys, when it comes to my skincare and hair care routine, I usually prefer vegan products, like free of harmful chemicals products. So these guys are everything what I was looking for. So the best part was when I was actually getting the products, they gave me a quiz. Like in that quiz there were few questions involved about my hair quality and about the last color I got and what was the last treatment I got for my hair and kaun sa color hua tha and what shampoo I've been using and what shampoo I'm using right now. And the best part was they asked me about my favorite color. So there were 4 to 5 options about color. There was white, there was a transparent color like no color, then third was blue. I love blue, but if you guys know me, you know how much I'm obsessed with this lavender color nowadays. And there was green, pink, there were so many colors. I chose lavender obviously, and then they asked me about the essence I want in my shampoo, conditioner and all the hair care products. There were so many options. Again I opted for vanilla. I don't know why I wanted lavender color plus vanilla. Does that make sense? I don't know क्या सोचकर मैंने vanilla लिया, but उस टाइम पर ऐसे vanilla की craving हो रही थी. Don't take me wrong, but उस टाइम मुझे ऐसे vanilla का बहुत हो रहा था कि I need vanilla kind of stuff. So I chose vanilla. So yeah, that was the final product, vanilla with lavender color. So this is the bottle. So this is conditioner, and I've got so many products from Bare Anatomy, and I love them guys. So don't mind my hair right now because I've applied oil from Bare Anatomy. Also they gave me the customized bottle. I'll show you. On every product there's D written over it. So they generally ask you what name do you want on your shampoo, conditioner and hair mask. So it's up to you. Whatever you want to have, you can have it. How cool is it, right? Next, which I was really excited about, was these capsules. Actually, I've been taking these capsules since a week now, every day before bedtime. This one is stress aid. So everyone knows कि ज़्यादा hair fall जो हमारा होता है, that is because of stress we take. And being the generation of 2020, सबके पास बहुत ज़्यादा stress है आजकल. So because of that बहुत hair fall होता है. So this capsule helps with the stress, and it's vegan, cruelty free, no chemicals, so it's totally safe. And second capsule which I'm taking is Hair Omega. So it helps in reducing dandruff, flaky scalp and induced hair fall as well. So also guys, these capsules are not harmful. It's vegan, it's cruelty free, no chemicals involved. But if you are pregnant or nursing, just consult your doctor once so that you are safe, because I think so during pregnancy or nursing you have to consult about everything. So yeah, go for it. But if you're not, it's really safe. So next we have pre-shampoo mask. All you have to do is apply this mask all over your hair and massage it, like not proper massage but lightly massage hota hai, do it and keep it for 15-20 minutes before taking shower. So yeah, that is which I am applying right now because I am going to take shower. And guys, what I love about Bare Anatomy, they knew about my hair condition after hair color. So you can look at my hair, super dry, and oh my god, I can't even express कि अभी ये कैसे हो रहा है, but they are super dry right now. And look at the hair fall I'm getting. Sorry, people who don't like hair fall, please stop watching. But मेरे बहुत ज़्यादा hair fall हो रहे हैं. I really loved everything they asked about my hair and hair color, which hair color I got, which shampoo I'm using right now. So because of ash color, they made a special shampoo for me which is suitable for my hair color, because I was really afraid while using this, because I was like no, अगर मेरा hair color निकल गया ये shampoo use करके तो बुरा होगा. So they took care of it that कि मेरे hair color को कुछ ना हो. एंड तो मैंने उस हिसाब से शैम्पू बनाया. Now all we have to do is keep it for 15 to 20 minutes and we are done then. So next is shampoo जो कि already आधा हो चुका है and then after that conditioner obviously. So that's it for today guys. So this was my hair care routine. I'll just quickly go and wash my hair and show you guys the results. Before that, let's do skincare. As I told you, I'm having breakouts all over my skin. Like you can't even see it. They are so small, but I know बहुत redness हो रही है and breakouts पूरे बुस्ट हो रहे हैं face पे. So because of that, I am going for besan and curd, which is like बहुत ही पुराना नुस्खा है यार ये बेसन और कर्ड का. तो all I'm doing is I have थोड़ा सा बेसन with me and 2 to 3 spoons of curd and I'm going to mix it. ये बहुत पुराना नुस्खा है बेसन का. तो बेसन works every time, every freaking time. कुछ भी हो बेसन and बहुत ज़्यादा work भी करता है अच्छे से. So now it's all done. I'm going to apply it all over my face. Guys, make sure you apply it in upward direction only. बिकॉज जब ये सूखता है ना तो फिर टाइट हो जाती है स्किन. तो अगर आप नीचे को करोगे तो नीचे को टाइट होएगी स्किन, ऊपर को करोगे तो ऊपर को होएगी. तो ऑब्वियसली वी वांट कि ऊपर को ही हो. आई लुक लाइक अ भूत राइट नाउ बट इग्नोर दैट. स्किन केयर एंड हेयर केयर इज वी इम्पॉर्टेंट. सो वी आर डन ओवर हियर. आई विल कीप द फेस मास्क फॉर 10 minutes. तब तक हेयर मास्क को भी 15 minutes हो जाएंगे एंड आई विल क्विकली गो टेक अ शावर एंड सी यू गाइस इन अ bit. Like a bhoot. See you. Okay guys, so I'm back from shower and this is the result. I am loving my hair genuinely because after my hair color and all the treatment जो कि मेरे बालों पे हुई थी, मेरे बाल बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब हो गए थे. And so here's the plus point for these products. These products are vegan and no chemicals involved, which is a plus point for me and I'm loving it because I can't afford to go for more chemicals. So yeah, I just love that. Now I'll quickly head to the studio because I have to shoot and Harshit Bhaiya is also coming. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, let's go. Okay guys, so Harshit Bhaiya आ रहे हैं. मैं उनको प्रैंक करने वाली हूँ. प्रैंक भी क्या, मैं उनसे पंगे लेने वाली हूँ. कृतिका को आईफोन आया हुआ था प्रमोशन के लिए. So I'm going to tell him that I bought him an iPhone for his birthday. Let's go. So I've kept the phone inside this. तो उनको लगेगा उनको डियोर से कुछ मिला है, फिर जब वो खोलेंगे उनको लगेगा एप्पल से कुछ मिला है, बट फिर सब झूठ होगा. घर आजा परदेसी तेरा देश बुलाए. जल्दी सामने चलो, आपके सरप्राइज है. हर्षित भाई आपके लिए सरप्राइज है, आपके बर्थडे का. ठीक है, आंखें बंद करो पहले. आपको मेरी कसम, आप आंखें नहीं खोलोगे, अब तो मैं नहीं बोलूंगी. One, 2, 3. ऑब्वियसली डियोर नहीं है.
अच्छा मजाक हो रहा है. सच्ची में
क्यों नहीं ले रहे
फोन?
हाँ तो आपके बर्थडे का सरप्राइज है.
पागल है
क्यों? टेल मी दैट यू लव मी. अरे अर्जुन भैया प्रैंक रोमा प्रैंक के दीदी को प्रमोशन के लिए नॉर्मल है आपका. ये मेरे को डर लग गया इनको रोता हुआ देखकर. मैं खुश ही तो रोने लग गए. दीदी को प्रमोशन के लिए आया. दीदी का है. दीदी मान, दीदी का है. दीदी का है. दीदी रोने लग गए. मैंने इनको बोला कि आपके लिए बर्थडे के लिए आईफोन आया और रोने लग गए. रोने लग गए. तो नहीं तो पागल है, मैंने लोग रो रहे हैं. Your friend. Hi guys, so I'm back home from dinner and we had so much fun today. Now it's time to remove all the makeup I applied today. All I'm using is a wet wipe. I'm going to gently remove all the makeup on my face because it's really essential to remove all the makeup. Sugar, what are you doing over here, baby? Sugar also wants to get her face clean. Now the makeup is removed. It's all cleaned up. Now what I'm thinking of shaving my face. I usually shave my face after 15-20 days. इतना hair नहीं है मेरे face पे, but it makes me feel more clean. So yeah, so I'm thinking of shaving it again tonight. And if you guys want a proper video of how I shave my face, then please do comment down below. So let's start. All I'm going to do is apply a face oil on my face. You can apply a cream, whatever you want. Now I have this razor. Now I'll gently. Guys, मैं लॉकडाउन से पहले मैं कभी शेव नहीं करती थी अपने फेस को. So after lockdown, I started shaving my face. I used to go for face wax, but then someone told me that face wax is not good for your skin. कि उससे ज़्यादा skin बहुत stretch होता है. So for that, I thought why not start shaving my face. And मुझे पहले लगता था कि face shave करने से बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब hard growth आती है and बहुत ज़्यादा growth आती है and thick growth आती है hair की, but ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. So I've been doing this since 4-5 months and I'm loving it genuinely. Not 4-5 months, more than 4-5 months. Lockdown कब से हुआ है? March, April, May, June, July. Yeah, more than 7 months I've been doing this. So I'm loving it. And if you guys want a proper video on how I shave my face, then please do comment down below. Would love to do that. And it's really safe. So ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है कि इससे कुछ harm होता है फिर face पे कोई cut वट पड़ता है. No, this is really safe. Okay, now it's all done. पूरा shape हो चुका है हमारा face. It's again baby skin. No, it's not like that. Yeah, मेरे को इतना फ़र्क नहीं पता लगता बिकॉज मैं थोड़ा सा जल्दी मतलब आफ्टर 15-20 डेज में करती रहती हूँ शेव, तो इतना ज़्यादा फ़र्क नहीं पता लगता मेरे फेस में. बट इट इज़ रियली गुड गाइज. आई रियली रिकमेंड यू इफ़ यू आर अबव 18 बिकॉज बच्चे जो होते हैं उनको विद रेज़र यूज़ नहीं करना चाहिए. लाइक ऑब्वियसली ब्लेड नहीं यूज़ करना चाहिए अकेले. सो एनीवे इट इज़ रियली हेल्पफुल. एंड इफ़ यू वॉन्ट more like proper video on how I shave my face, and please do comment down below. That's it for today guys. This is my skin and hair care routine plus a day in my life. I hope you liked this vlog. If you did, you know the drill. Like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye guys, see you in the next video.